Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will learn about percent ionic character. This video is equally important for your NEET, IIT JEE as well as other competitive exams. Today we will learn about how to calculate the percent ionic character in a given molecule, right? And we will discuss some examples related to the percent ionic character later on in this video. Now first of all, let us know that what actually percent ionic character means. Here percent ionic character is defined as a bond percent ionic character is the amount of electron sharing between two atoms. Say for example, I have a molecule AB, okay, right, formed by atom A and atom B. Now these two atoms shares some electron through this single bond. As we know that single bond contains two electrons. Therefore, the sharing of these two electrons, one this and another this, between atom A and B is known as its percent ionic character. Clear? Now, a question comes in our mind: can we calculate the percent ionic character present in a given compound? So the answer is yes. Calculation of percent ionic character is done by Haney and Smith formula, right? Percent ionic character we can calculate with the help of Haney-Smith formula, and the Haney-Smith formula is percent ionic character 16 mod XA minus XB plus 3.5 mod XA minus XB की power 2. Now here XA and XB are the electronegativities of atom A and B. XA and XB are the electronegativities of atom A and B. Now before moving to the questions, you have to learn some most common values for electronegativities, and you have come across about these values during your 11th and 12th standard. So some most common elements I have written over here on this page. So I have first group hydrogen, lithium, sodium, right? And I have second period lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. And I have also a third period sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. Now the values, I have a trick to remember the values of electronegativities of these elements, but you have learned some values, okay? Say for example, hydrogen has a value of electronegativity 2.1, whereas lithium has 1.0 and sodium has 0.1. Now if you want to calculate the value of electronegativity of beryllium, just add 0.5 to the electronegativity of lithium. Here lithium electronegativity is 1.0, so 1.0 plus 0.5 comes to be 1.5. If you want the value of boron, the electronegativity value of boron, just add 0.5 to the previous value. 1.5, which is electronegativity of beryllium, plus 0.5 will gives you 2.0, which is the value of electronegativity of boron. So it's simple to learn. Similarly, carbon has 2.5. Just add 0.5 with 2.0, you will get 2.5. That is electronegativity of carbon. Similarly for nitrogen here and oxygen as well. and fluorine as well. ठीक है, right? At 0.5 to 3.5 you will get 4.0 as the value of electronegativity of fluorine. Now if we talk about third period elements, sodium has a value of electronegativity 0.9. These three values, hydrogen, lithium, nitrogen, 2.1, 1.0, 0.9, you have to learn on your tips, right? You have to learn these values. There is no other option. So if you need the value of magnesium, just add 0.3 to the electronegativity value of sodium, that is 0.9. 0.9 plus 0.3 you will get 1.2, which is the electronegativity value of magnesium. And further, if you want the electronegativity of aluminium, just add 0.3 to the electronegativity value of magnesium, you will get 1.5. Similarly for silicon, add 0.3 in 1.5, you will get 1.8. Similarly for phosphorus, 0.3 plus 1.8, 2.1. But from phosphorus to sulfur, you have to add 0.4 in 2.1 to get 2.5 as a value of electronegativity of sulfur, right? Similarly, add 0.5 to the 2.5 to get 3.0, ठीक है, right? 3.0 as a value of chlorine. Similarly, bromine has electronegativity value 2.8 and iodine has 2.5. So let's move on to the question. I have some questions for you. Now the question 1, find percent ionic character in HF molecule. So you need to remember these values, right, which I have just talked about earlier in this video. So first of all, this is nothing. Okay, so how to calculate percent ionic character in HF molecule? As we know that HF molecule is formed of, it comprises of hydrogen and fluorine, and the value of electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1 and that of fluorine is 4, right? Now we have to calculate percent ionic character. So you know the Hannay and Smith equation, and the equation is 16 mod of XA minus XB plus 3.5 mod of XA minus XB whole power 2, where XA and XB are electronegativities of hydrogen and fluorine. Now we have 16 XA is a remember one thing. If you put 4 first or 2.1 as XB or 4 as XA, this doesn't will affect your answer, because the mod will makes the negative value positive. Got it? So if you are considering this molecule as XA and this this atom as XA and this one is XB, so XA has a value of electronegativity 4, so XA will become 4. You can put XA as 2.1, right? The answer will come correct, because mod will make that negative value into positive value. So XB is hydrogen, electronegativity of hydrogen, that is 2.1 mod plus 3.5. Similarly XA is 4 minus 2.1 mod to the power 2. Here it comes out 16. 4 minus 2.1 will comes out to 1.9 plus 3.5 and here 1.9 mod to the power 2. 16 into 1.9 plus 3.5 into 1.9 square comes out to 3.61. Now add these values, multiply first 30.4, this comes out to 16 multiplied by 1.9 comes out to be 30.4 plus 3.5 multiplied by 3.61 comes out to be 12.635. Now if you add these values, the percent tiny character will come out to be 43.035. Got it? So this is the percent tiny character of HF molecule. Similarly, I have another example, question number 2. Find percent tiny character in HCl molecule. Now this time they have given you HCl molecule. So as we know that HCl comprises of hydrogen and Cl. Hydrogen has electronegativity value of 2.1, whereas chlorine has electronegativity value of 3. Just go through that table which I have discussed earlier in this video. This table will help you really a lot help. So percent ionic character, now percent ionic character is 16 mod of Xa minus Xb plus 3.5 mod of Xa minus Xb mod power 2. Clear? When you will put these values, 16 Xa, let's consider this chlorine as Xa and hydrogen as Xb. So put Xa, electronegativity value of Xa, that is chlorine, 3 minus Xb means hydrogen, 2.1 plus 3.5 Xa means 3 minus 2.1 mod power 2. So when you will calculate, this will come out to 16 into mod 0.9 plus 3.5 mod 0.9 mod power 2, right? So when you will this solve, it will come out 16 into 0.9 plus 3.5 into 0.81, right? So 14.4, when you multiply 16 and 0.9, this will come out to 14.4 plus 2.835. When you multiplied 3.5 multiplied by 0.81 will comes out to be 2.835. This will gives you, when you will add 14.4 and 2.835, this will come out to be 17.235. So this is the value of percent ionic character in HCl molecule. Now as usual, question number 3 is homework for you people. Do post your answer in the comment section below. I will monitor your progress. Till then, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.